This hillbilly music. It has no polish, it has no complexity. It is very, very plain. It's not like Wagner, Bach, Beethoven. Classical music, this is the music which will sell.
Pop, it's Pierre. I need talent for some hillbilly work I'm doing. We're traveling. We're coming to you. We're bringing the equipment.
Testing.
So you want me to scout for you? What kind of music are you looking for?
Looking for distinct voices, special personalities, verve, bravado. I'm Pierre from the Victor Talking Machine Company, New York City. I'm here on a musical Lewis and Clark in Bristol. I'm searching for local talent. A.P. Carter, I presume. Boys, how would you like to be credited?
Jimmy Rogers Entertainers.
The Bristol Sessions was kind of the formal how do you do to the world.
You know, the big bang of country music.
It was the first time that it was recorded, it was documented, and it was the Bible of country music. And it's still the Bible of country music.
It's so cool to be able to re-record them now with nice equipment, and it's just a tradition that's being passed on, and that's the tradition of American music.
What are the origins of these songs you sing?
They're born across the ocean. They grew up here in these hills.
My heart goes back to this. It's kind of in my Smoky Mountain DNA.
It was like all these tributaries coming together into a big well of American music.
They put it to music and they delivered it in a way that was from the heart and also from the gut. That, to me, should be the foundation of all art forms.
There's no rock and roll as an art form, without the recordings that were made here.
They're so beautiful because one is so steeped in church and one is so steeped in hard times. And if that doesn't epitomize what our country has been and kind of will always be, then I don't know what does.
Sweetheart, brave and true, and his hair was dark and curly, his loving eyes